Hi guys, I just picked up the phone and decided to start vlogging. I'm gonna show y'all my living room area. I'm about to sit down and eat some Burger King, but I gave my furniture to my siblings, my sister and her husband, and I ain't got no couch no more. My stuff don't come in until August. My stuff don't come in until the first week of August, so I don't have no furniture. My siblings, my sister was getting ready to go and buy. They were getting ready to go and buy a couch, and I was like, I have two that I'm getting rid of, and I was dragging my feet on it because everything was closed. So now that they are, and you can hear the echo too. Now that they are open, my sister was like, "Oh, we're gonna go get a couch this weekend." I'm like, "No, you can have mine. You don't have to pay for it." Yeah, so not thinking that my couches weren't going to be in until August, but it is what it is. It's just me. I'm not really having any company, but I'll show you guys. Oh, you know what? I gotta go downstairs. I think I'm gonna build. I got a shelf there. I'm gonna put my TV on. All of this is gonna be totally different, but this is what it's looking like right now. I got rid of my furniture. Well, my couches. My sectional should be in soon. Well, it'll be in a few weeks. So it's just me, my dining room table, my TV, and my mirror. So that's what it's looking like right now. I'm like, I know they tired of seeing me going to the nail shop and getting my toes done all the time, but yeah, I did that today. I really want to go to Best Buy or Micro Center and get me a MacBook Pro. Yeah, so I don't know. So many thoughts, so many things that I could do. I'm just trying to slow up on spending money. I feel like I've been spending money, big money, a lot lately. And it does not need to happen. So, I don't know. I think I'm gonna watch Dynasty though. And I'll pick you guys up in a minute. There is gonna be just me sitting here chatting with y'all. Cause I feel like that's better. Try not to make this so lengthy because as you can see, I'm on my good girl. I still ain't named her. I think I had a name for her, but it just slipped my mind. I don't know. So I'm gonna go ahead and just let it dry up a little bit. I'm watching my YouTube, and yeah, there's a lot of stuff that's going on. I probably could benefit from talking about it. I think that it's really hard being in a position where you're just kind of stalling. Like you're just stalling, like you don't know exactly where you're going to go, but you know that it's not time to make that move yet. And I've been having the weirdest luck with people. Relationships, friendships. And I don't know. I'm low-key like over it. Like I don't want to really deal, but I don't want to not deal. You know what I'm saying? Like I don't want to be anti. Because I know how I am when I get in that position. I don't want to fall into that hole. I went and got my eyebrows threaded. place with the hormone issues, the corrector, and that on your chin. That's just kind of like, it kind of matches your skin tone, undertone. It kind of helps with eliminating discoloration. Not even just on your chin, but on your lips. You don't have to put as much on or that much on. You put a little bit on. Even canvas, should I say. Difference already. Also, I'm thinking about doing a week, like a vlog, like a daily vlog for like a week. I'm thinking about it. It takes so much to do all of that and to come back and edit. That's my thought process is right now. So I'm getting ready to do this like kind of glam. It's low-key glam smoky eye vibe. See how we do with that, because I really ain't been doing makeup like that. My cousin came and got her makeup done the other day, and I just felt so out of it. I really don't know what to talk about. I really don't have much to say today. Today has been eye-opening in so many ways. And I'll just leave that part at that. Like, it's just, I just never, I don't know. Yeah. With living by yourself and being by yourself all the time, you just go through a lot of things that don't nobody know about. That just kind of it can kind of put you in a bad headspace if you allow it. And I had to make a choice earlier today, like, are you gonna go home and lay down and wallow in self-pity, or are you going to tend to your business? And I decided to keep going because I deserve to not allow anybody to stop the flow of my day, or anything to stop the flow of my day or the flow of my life. You know, I have an idea of what I want in my head, and I probably should write it down or whatever, but it's going to come to fruition, and I'm not going to sit back and allow disappointment and hurt and misunderstandings, and I'm not going to allow life to dictate how things play out for me. It's easier said than done, but honestly, at this point, I feel like I'm just putting one foot in front of the other, and that's just how I feel. And yeah, it's not the easiest, trust me. It's not the easiest, but I'm good. I'm gonna be good. Makeup palettes are you guys using right now? So I need to get some new stuff. It's really just low-key, just been not trying. Like, I don't even want to do nothing. No makeup, nothing. And also, I see that my haul is getting a lot of traction. Not the last one, but the one before that. But I do notice that my hauls get way more traction than any other video. type of videos that I do. But and I that's cool and all, but YouTube has a thing where they will like box you in, you know, whatever category. We kind of get like, we want to see the numbers, so we just start doing whatever is getting the numbers that we're looking for. And I don't want to become a slave to that. So I'm not sure. I know I love clothes, I love fashion, so I'm definitely gonna continue doing hauls. But I'm stuck in between, do I do them at my own pace? Do I do them at the pace that YouTube is like loving right now? Like, do I do it at the pace of YouTube? Like, the people who's coming in, the people like that's getting me mentioned, that's getting me recommended. Do you just do what is being, I guess, giving you the numbers, like, or do you just do your own thing, continue to do your own thing? And I don't ever want to become a slave to nothing. I want to do what I want to do, and I love how, you know, I love my variety. I love how I, you know, vlog, and I do beauty here and there, and I do wigs here and there. I'm not subjected to just doing one type of video all the time. Like, or, oh, I gotta get out a haul this week. I gotta get out a haul every week. Like, I don't want to do that. That's weird. I don't want that. That is not me. I'm not that girl. I love them. I love the people that come with it. I've had a lot of kind people. I had a couple of trolls, but I've had a lot of kind people who subscribe to me or who support the video, or, you know, so I love that part about it. But it's just so crazy. So my vlogs don't get many views, but my hauls get lots of views. So that's where I'm like stuck in between, like, do that or no. Do that or do your hauls, or have videos that only have 25 views. Finally, I stopped being cheap and went and got this. Deep Spice is my color. It's a lot of double wear. I love it. I am in love with this. I've actually been in love with this for years, but I never went about it. So now I got it. So now I can play.
And I'm Sam's standing wingman, so can I get you a drink?
Yeah, why don't I go with you? Can you give us a minute? You should hire someone to help you.
It's not a bad idea.
Someone you know who you can trust.
I've taken all day.
Okay, Kirby, you know that liking a party and planning a party are not
doing my makeup, and I still gotta find lashes. I want to take pictures. Ain't nobody cute. Alright, I think I'm done. Well, I'm ready to go to bed. So this was a waste. Let's change clothes.
acute liver failure. That's what caused you to pass out. What?
I think I broke a marine light. I mean, it works, but a piece on the stand is messed up. So I'm standing here in my empty living room, taking pictures of my makeup, trying to be trying to be as gentle as possible with this ring light so it won't fall off, especially now since my phone is up here. Did y'all see my mirror? It's so cute. Anyway, yeah, I finished watching Dynasty. Take some pictures for the gram. I can't wait to get my MacBook. So I can't wait to get my MacBook so I can better edit my stuff. I'm just so excited about it because I use my phone and it's tired. So